So this is what comes in the hidden fastener kit. You have your screws, obviously. They're like decking screws. And then you have your special bit that has kind of a stopper. So this will sink in and then create a hole for these. And these are collated, so if you're doing a ton of these and you want to go for efficiency, you can hammer them in, it'll come out, go on to the next one, hammer the next one in, but we don't need to go fast, do we? Let me show you how they work though. So I have my bit in a regular drill. You could use an impact, but just to be safe, I'm going to use just a regular drill. This might be a little tricky, but you shouldn't have to pre-drill these. Go in just like that. That'll sink in. Looks like it sinks in quite a bit. And then you take your caps, and I'm going to do something and intentionally show you what I don't want to do. I'm going to hold this right here and pop it in like that and hammer it in. And what I don't want to do is just use a regular hammer. I'm going to actually put some tape on this just so I don't mess anything up. Once I clean that a little bit, clean the whole board, shouldn't be able to see that. It'll be much harder to see it anyways. So I'll start right here. I'll do one at the top, one at the bottom, and I'll go 2, 4, 6, 8. And that should be plenty. I'll start right here, just like this. And even though these are going to be hidden, I still want to put them nice and even so it looks nice. Then I can cap them. And I can do that same thing the rest of the way. Now I'm just gonna use some cleaner and clean this up. I got my dirty paws all over it. So we're good.